Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends on the 8-ball pool game. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the 8-ball pool game, and if you have already logged into your account, then you will be taken directly into the home page. Now you can simply tap on the Play with Friends button, and if you have logged into your account from Facebook, then you will see all of your friends that are already on 8-ball pool who play the game. You can also tap on the Invite Friends button, and then you can send the invite link to various Facebook contacts. You can also tap on the Add by Unique ID button, and then you will be able to type in the unique ID of your friends and tap on the search button to add them as your friend. You can find your unique ID by going into your profile, and you will find the unique ID, which is mostly a combination of numbers. Just type in the number and then you can add your friend on 8-ball pool. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add your friends on 8-ball pool game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell and you will never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.